This is Shae. This is Kelley. I'm Madonna. This is Whitney. And what's the name of the scene? Don't rock the boat. Don't rock the boat.
But I guess they're all lost.
Scene starts.
You're rocking the boat.
That's right.
Leslie Johnson. It happened to me kind of funny. Kind of funny. Like a dream. That's it. Like a dream.
Tell us in your own words.
I dreamed last night I got on the boat to heaven, and by some chance I had brought my dice along, and there I stood, and I hollered, someone save me! But the passengers, they knew right from wrong. For the people all said, sit down, you're rocking the boat. People all said, sit down, you're rocking the boat. And the devil will drag you under by the sharp lapel of your jacket. Come, sit down, you're rocking the boat.
Holy Christ.
I sailed away on that little boat to heaven, and by some chance found a bottle in my fist, and there I stood, nicely passing out the whiskey, but the passengers were bound to resist. For the people all said beware. People all said beware, you scuttle the ship, and the devil will drag you under by the fancy tie round your wicked throat. Sit down.
Kill the music! Kelley! Sarah! You can't do anything right for a minute!
I'm sorry. I'll get it right. I promise.
Remember, lift your feet. Lift!
It's not like it's that hard. You know I can do the other part if you want, Bobby.
All right, everyone, back in their positions.
Question. When we're here, is it walk, step, click, heel, toe, or walk, step, slide?
You've got to be kidding me.
What?
Ladies, come on. Positions.
Gabby, I can't understand why you're so mean to me.
Really? It's kind of obvious you have a little puppy dog crush on Bobby, and you're jealous of what we have. But you need to get over it. He's taken.
Gabby, you know this doesn't mean anything. I mean, after I graduate, I'm probably going straight to Broadway. Obviously, yeah.
How do you say that?
Oh my God, stop! I'm so sick of hearing the two of you. You're so self-absorbed.
Bobby, we have something. You told me I was special, and that I have talent.
Hey, I'm an actor.
Kid for luck, be a lady.
I'm sorry, Gabby, but I have to think about my own future.
I'll be here if you guys ever want to rehearse.
Yeah, like I'm gonna do anything now.
Come on, Gabs.
Bite me.
See.